14.6 at 99.
All right, officially day one. In yesterday's video that dropped this morning, like 2:30, I said day two, but I meant tech day 2 of my trip, and we're heading to the track right now. So yeah, that's the morning update. We are packed. Look at this thing. It's like we're full in here. No more for us, please. Yeah, well, dude, the driver meetings.
The regular DYOs are above 10. DYOs, 108. 108 DYOs. So that ought to be an easy class to win. Some of you that are in that class may end up wanting to look at the rules for the Bullseye Challenge today, because this thing is actually going to be a lot of fun.
Dustin's changing the distributor cap because he enjoys punishment.
Yeah, you see they got it kind of gagged down off the starting line. So again, he's looking for 8.5 to 0. He going wheels up off the starting line.
All right, let's see if it'll start. Fired right up. Once again, my phone is Mother of pearl, what did you do?
Shut it off and started back up, and it had fuel and nitrous in the crankcase.
Now we got to keep all these pieces and all these back together as well on both sides.
You know, you talked about doing that clear view.
Yeah, there's a good start.
The oil pan's bubbled down too.
It's missing side.
Same way on that side. That's what bent all this, is when it blew that up there.
Broke this one off.
You gotta clean your drawers?
I was sitting still.
I know you were, but when you fired it back up, I imagine it was a little bit of a shock.
No, I knew exactly what happened. As soon as it hit the ignition, I knew exactly what happened.
Oh, were you in the car when it happened?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I shut it off because the fire people ran down there because they said it was smoking out the pipe. So I turned and stopped because I knew they were coming after me.
Right.
And he's like, all right, you're good. It's not leaking. And as soon as I started cranking over and hit the ignition, it just backfired, smoke went over.
You can tell it's C group. Probably 200 cars in C grouping, so we're gonna have a ton of fun fighting this all week. 46 at 99. Dude, how did that feel? How did it feel?
That was amazing.
That was freaking awesome.
Woo.
You went 14.6 at 99 miles an hour. Look at this time slip. Look at, oh, it's so good.
Almost 100.
Dude.
Almost.
Yeah.
Oh, still haven't found piston. No piston.
Oh, that's good, right?
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Yeah, no piston. If you look through the spark plug hole, there's a hole about yay big in it. And
Are you sure it's not about this big?
Could be.
Yeah.
Apparently there's no big block Mopar guys in Florida because no one, every speed shop, every person I've talked to, no one has Mopar stuff, not even set about Alcos.
What do you need exactly?
All right, dude. So before we get rolling and can't hear anything on the camera, what do you think? Day one racing. It's fun.
It's fun.
Pretty neat. Switching it over and all that kind of stuff, right? Okay. So now we'll check the tire pressures, make sure those are the same, all that kind of stuff at the next track. And then now we're starting the fun part. Now's the drive. Our day ain't even started.
Yeah, now's the drive.
So, all right, we'll bring you guys along with us. All right, we turn right here, and we are on the way. Dude, we are on route.
41 miles.
Okay. Look at all these cool people. Damn hole there.
Lost half my trailer.
Hang on, just creep up and we'll see if it gives us a thumbs up. You guys okay? Okay. They're okay.
Said they're good. This is.
cars over here. There's cars behind us. People with a lot of horsepower. All this fun stuff. People hanging out in the parking lot. We'll get checked in, get some beers, and come back out.